What's up, guys? John here, back with another one for you. I haven't done one of these in a long time, but it's going to be one of these evil, uber blatant pitches. Like I said, I haven't done these for a while, but Udemy has sort of been pounding me with emails to promote it, so I thought fine. Plus, I know a lot of you guys secretly loved these, so I figured I'd join in. Anyway, deal is all of Udemy's participating courses are just $9.99 over on the site from now until August 30th. Sort of the whole back to school thing, blah, blah, blah. Who really cares? It's just ultimately a good deal. But again, all the participating courses just $9.99. My super special affiliate link is johnmorrisonline.com/August. You just go there. I'll put the link in the description as well. But you go there and that'll trigger the $9.99 deal, and then you can sort of browse and buy to your heart's content. Anything from Python to Node to WordPress, PHP, JavaScript, Angular, React, whatever it is that you want. Again, most of the courses over there are going to be $9.99 with that link. So again, johnmorrisonline.com/August. All right, that'll do it for this one. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.